Peaceful greetings. This is Queen, Mother Goddess, Opulence, Ra Enter, Keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace, sharing some more of my gifts, my blessings, my offerings. For those of you who don't know, this is a Kuba doll styled clay piece created by my hands. A unification of West Africa and East Africa. The symbols are the throne of Ast, being empowered by the eye, touched by the feather of Ma'at, royal energies flow here. Feminine aspect, empowerment. Could be yours. She sits on one of my altars now. But I had a feeling I was to first share it with you. And maybe someone may want her for their altar. She is dripped in gold, 24 karat gold. Yes. If you like it and you think you might want it, well, you might want it. Think if you're interested in it, DM me and we can talk. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Yeah, 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 yeah.